you recording now? Bet!
Shut up.
Come here!
Shut up. Of course chaos comes.
Here comes Bet!
I see you.
Grrr. You wanna fight or you wanna dance? I feel record me them running after me. Chaos, Bet! Come get me, Bet! Come on, Chaos, come get me! Come get me, Chaos! Wait a minute. The frisbee! The frisbee! You ready?
Here, record it. I can really get them started.
Go.
Give me the frisbee. You ready?
Go get it! Grab it! They're playing frisbee war. Give it here. Give it here. Give it. Give me the frisbee. Give me the frisbee. Give me the frisbee. That's her trying to grab the frisbee from her dogs, folks. She's having to play tug of war against her dogs. You know I'm getting this on video.
Come here. Hey, the frisbee thing. Give me the frisbee. Give it.
I think both of these are gonna have 100 or 1,000 hits.
Give it. Duh. Pop.
Throw it.
I want it.
Here she goes, folks. This way. Throw it this way. You gotta get it. Here they come. It's a race for the frisbee. And Biggin wins it. Cody's not even moving, folks. That's because she's old.
She's not old. She's only 3. Bit's 6.
Okay, the big bit's 6. Coda's 3. Chaos is a month old.
She's 6 months old.
Chaos is 6 months old, folks. My dogs are old. Grab the frisbee, Savannah.
Give me the frisbee. Bit. Want it?
Hey, I got Bit staring at the camera. I'm about to open the door.
No,
I'm
you're
gonna
not.
get bigger.
No, you're not.
There's Biggin at the bigger view. There's his butt. There's all the other dogs.